guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jen. This is Just Jen's Things. These are the things that make me smile. Guys, it is February. I am back with a really awesome brand, and I cannot wait to share more of this with you guys. Hopefully you guys are really as interested in this as I am. And I am so excited to say that I have partnered with StyleVana. You guys, they sent me an amazing box of goodies and I can't wait to share these with you guys. Let's go ahead and jump into this. And let me show you what they sent me for their Valentine's campaign. And you guys, real quick, if you have not already, hit subscribe. I do all kinds of fragrance and beauty and lifestyle and accessory content, and I know that you are in the right place. Hit subscribe and let's jump into what StyleVana sent me for February. StyleVana sent me some amazing things for their February campaign, and I am so excited to share it with you guys today. So they sent lots of goodies. I'm so excited. I will actually have a code down below, and I'll try to put it across the screen if you are interested in saving some money. StyleVana, all things K and J beauty. They have some amazing brands that have definitely gone viral, and they can really just be so phenomenal, you guys. And it's one of those things where treating yourself to some really good skincare and products that can save you guys some money and a little bit of coin definitely can help you out. Let's jump into what they sent in February so that I can do a review coming up for you guys. So this is just going to be a little intro to what StyleVana does and what products they sent. And I can't wait, you guys. I have just been itching to get into these. So this first is from Medicube. This is their PDRN Booster Gel, you guys. And this can do 7 types of peptide, which is so amazing for your skin. This has PDRN, which is a huge viral ingredient that's going around right now, guys, that can actually help with anti-inflammatory properties. It can help with your skin and strengthening it. So I am really excited to try this out. This is the PDRN Booster Gel. So I can't wait to use this because, as you guys know, I have a lot of redness and a lot of scarring. So I'd love to see how that works out. Another thing that they sent, this is from a really amazing brand. This is Mary&May, and this is their 6 peptide complex. This is their Youth and Glow, and it is multi-peptides, and it's fragrance free. I can't wait to use this, you guys. This is gonna be so amazing to use. And I was definitely in the need for some hydration and for some skincare. Next, I got a packet of these. This is the Centella Clearing Spot Patch. I can't wait to use these because even when you guys are in perimenopause, if you're my age, I'm 42, you can still have those blemishes pop up. So definitely excited to try these out. I was in need of a moisturizer. You guys can probably tell from my empties, I have used up all of my moisturizer, so I can't wait to use this. This is actually a pretty big jar, guys. This is a 50 ml. It is the Rice Ceramide, and this is the moisturizing cream, which I definitely needed this. Look how thick this is. That looks amazing. I can't wait to be able to start using another moisturizer again, guys. And then last but not least, this is my first introduction ever to really having some sun care, guys. And I needed this so badly. I'm 42 years old. I definitely should be using some sunscreen. This is the Centella, and it is the Hyalu-cica Sunsational Kit, which is amazing, you guys. look what they sent. So this right here is actually the, what is this again? This is the SPF 50 PA++++. This is the Fit Sun Stick. And then they have 2 of these, and these are the Water Fit Sun Serum. Super excited for that because your girl needs to be using some sunscreen. But thank you, StyleVana. I'm so excited. You guys, their online marketplace for K-Beauty is absolutely phenomenal. Again, that code will be down below, and I can't wait to get back in touch with you guys in a couple of weeks to share with you my review and my thoughts on these amazing products, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.
They move too fast, honey, for pictures. Not me again.